There are many home remedies you can use in order to brighten your smiles that are easy as well as affordable. Learn how to whiten your teeth with these effective, all-natural solutions. 1. Activated charcoal. The negatively charged charcoal binds to the positively charged plaque on your tooth surface. Charcoal is then absorbed by the tooth surface, which helps in whitening the teeth. What you need: powdered activated charcoal, a toothbrush, a glass of water. What you have to do: dip your wet toothbrush in powdered activated charcoal. Brush the teeth with activated charcoal for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, rinse the mouth with water. How many times? In order to get the best results, you should brush with charcoal at least once a day. 2. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can assist in improving the shade of the teeth. It's the best home remedy for people who are on a tight or limited budget and wish to whiten their teeth. What you need: 1/2 glass of 3 to 5% hydrogen peroxide. 1/2 glass of water. What you have to do: blend 1/2 glass of 3 to 5% hydrogen peroxide with 1/2 glass of water. Swirl the mixture in the mouth for 30 to 60 seconds. Spit the solution out and brush the teeth without using toothpaste. Wash out your mouth thoroughly with water. How many times? You can use hydrogen peroxide once a day. 3. Orange or lemon peels. The peels of lemon and orange contain critic acid that might help in removing the yellow stains on the enamel and bleach the teeth. They are also considered as antibacterial, thus, it helps fight oral microbes. What you need: lemon or orange peel. What you have to do: scrub the teeth with lemon or orange peel. Leave it on teeth for 1 to 2 minutes and then brush the teeth. Wash out the mouth thoroughly with distilled water. How many times? You can use this once a day. Thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to this channel.